Okay, welcome once again to Colors Crick Quiz 2021, brought to you by Nutridor, Abivia, and in association with Max. Myself, Jaspreet Cummings, I'll explain that. I was the one who taught Jaspreet the ball that came into the right-hander. I also helped Cummings with his action when his elbow was slightly bent as a young man. So I keep the name Jaspreet Cummings as memory of what I did to help them. But this is not about me. This is about you. Not you, but everybody else who's also you. As in you, jo bete hai you. All right, it's time for us to meet the teams. There's red, there's yellow, and there's green, and lots to play for. Let's meet red. Team red.
Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Ayu, and this is my wife Shazia. We both love cricket. She's passionate about cricket, and she tags along with me to all my cricket matches. So
she's more like your mentor. She's the one who helps you get to where you are. She's coach mentor.
Yes.
I accept that. What about you, Shazia?
Hi, this is Ayub, my better half. He is an engineer by profession, but he loves cricket. And we together are Red
Rebels.
Red Rebels, fabulous. Well, who's the better batsman?
We pointed at each other.
Let's go on to Team Yellow, who will agree to disagree as well. Team Yellow.
Hello all. This is neither Mr. Dependent nor Mr. Cool, but still he's legend of my life. This is my husband Kiran.
Hi to all. She is the better half of my life, but technically she controls my entire life. So meet Miss Deepika, my better half.
People call me mean, but my favorite color is green. So let's hear from the green couple. Yes, sir.
Hi everyone, my name is Shruti and he is my world, Mr. Manish, and he is by profession CA, and we love cricket, and our team name is Green Cricket Warriors.
Good news, guys. I won the toss and decided to bat first with the first round, which I call Googly. Okay, first look up and tell me if you can see any stars. Look up na, Baba. Stars to idhar nahi hai. Upar se dekhna padega na. Have you seen stars?
Yeah, not yet.
What do you mean, yeah, Mr. Engineer? You can't see any stars. We're in a studio. But actually you can, because this is called stargazing. Pay attention, please. One of you of the pair will have to come and stand here, all right? And you're going to give hints about these, in 45 seconds, about these names that you see, or these people that you see, cricketers. And you have to give the hints without taking the name ever, all right? There's a limit of 5 players per team. For every correct answer, the team gets 10 points. 10 points. If the player gives the clues by taking the name, you make the mistake of actually saying the name, it's minus 10 straight away. If you can somehow guess all the 5 players within 30 seconds, very rare. It's almost like seeing a snow leopard. It's very rare, but you can do it. There'll be an added bonus of 30 points. Prepared? Ready? Simple? Okay. 3, 2, 1, look and talk.
Next.
Next! Are you?
Prophet's name.
Mohammad,
Yeah. And he's an Indian cricketer.
Mohammad Shami,
No.
Mohammad Azharuddin,
No.
Mohammad Kaif.
No.
Thanks.
This is
Go.
painful for me.
Go. Yeah.
Adip's class teacher, grade 4.
What?
Adip's class teacher's name.
I don't know. Next.
30 seconds are up. Quick.
Go. Natali?
No.
Okay, next.
Just a few seconds, come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, okay, all right, well done. Team Red, what can I say? Tough task, but remember, this is a team game, so don't take it personally. You just do what you can. It's a good beginning. Captain, well played. You'll have to go back. And we call in Team Yellow. Okay? 3, 2, 1. 45 seconds starts now. Take a look. Answer. No! Next.
No.
Yeah? Without the name? Without the name.
Okay, next.
You can't just get excited. Then.
Indian cricketer.
Huh? What? Ouch!
No, next.
Okay, next. That's
England cricketer who did the switch shot.
Kevin Peterson.
Very good. 15 seconds to go. I think one more left. Come on.
Punjab ka IPL of Punjab captain.
Shubham Gill.
IPL Punjab.
Punjab
captain.
KL Rahul.
Oh! Oh! Well done. 45 seconds over. Well done. I think the last 2 overs were very good. You managed to score some runs in the last couple of overs. 3, 2, 1. Look at the screen. 45 seconds. Okay, look right top corner as well.
Related to some Krishna name. He's a long hair and he's
अच्छा एक तो हो गया but
धोनी
no related to Krishna, like a Krishna name. His surname is like a Brahmin name. Brahmin surname.
not the clues I would have given, but yeah.
Brahmin surname. He's Virat's wife surname. Virat wife surname.
शर्मा रोहित शर्मा
No.
You want to
one
pass,
more
Aditya?
related to Krishna name.
45 seconds हो गया.
Okay.
On only one cricketer, we went from mythology to religion. We went all the way around. We went to office politics, and then it went to marriage and relationships. It's fabulous. The thinking was great.
Okay.
It was great. It was very left of center thinking. Thinking was great. Okay, time for the team scores. Refreshing. Gundappa Vishwanath made this in his first innings. 0 team red, 0. But he made 130 odd in the second. Team yellow, 20! I think immediately of the movie star. And team green, good and bad news. Good news, 0. Bad news, still 0. Okay, so that was the first part of Googly. Now coming up is Googly part 2, which is stargazing with a little difference. Okay, this is a huge opportunity to score points. उसमें क्या है? Basically, we will show you a morph picture of 2 famous cricketers who are also connected in some way. I won't give more than that, but remember the line connected in some way, alright? You'll only get 30 seconds as a team to crack this. If you answer correctly, you get 30 points. And if a wrong answer happens, you get -10. One more thing, if you answer incorrectly or pass it, the other teams can also go for it by pressing their buzzers, but the same rules will apply. So remember, minus plus, weigh your options. Let's tune our cricketing telescopes to stargazing. Your time starts now. 2 faces in one face. If you're getting at least one of them, then try and figure connection kya hai. Come on.
Rashid. One is Rashid Khan.
Oh. You're going with Rashid Khan and Captain Shazia ji. Kuch bolo na? Are you happy with this? I'll give you a quick hint. Look, think more fast bowling. Fast. Oh. 3, 2, 1. And anybody else wants to take a chance? Press the buzzer. Oh, come on, guys, you're closer. It's easier for you. I want to watch Team Yellow. He's actually measuring the chin or something. And it isn't going to reveal, so it's not going to reveal anything. Either you saw it or not. Okay, we have to reveal it. Guys have tried. And here is the answers. It's Brett Lee and Shoaib Akhtar.
Wow.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go! 30 seconds.
Shane Warne and
Come on.
Shane Warne and
Guys, I didn't say it's
Kevin
going to be
Peterson.
easy.
Kevin Peterson.
No, what is the...
Shane Warne and
Okay, I'll put it this way. They're both leg spinning rivals. Okay?
Shane Warne and Anil Kumble.
Yes! Yes! Why am I getting excited? It's not my team. It's like cheating, anchor. We are giving it not out of any compassion or sympathy or charity, but because the fact that when we mention the leg spinner hint, you immediately got it correct.
Thank you,
Which
sir.
means that you know your cricket. 3, 2, 1. Take a look. Oh, it's a tough one.
Australian cricketer. One is Australian cricketer.
Okay, you're right. I'll say this much. Hunting in pair, perhaps right country. I'll tell you that. Hunting in pairs. Socho. She knows what the...
Ricky Ponting and
Hunting in pairs. Hunting. 1, 0. Time up. Sorry. Anybody wants to... Team Red has pressed the buzzer. So, let's go ahead. Yes?
Yeah. Australian Gillespie.
Yeah.
And the other one is Indian. I think so.
Look, I mean, Abhi said, oh, Yellow, we'll give you a chance. Chalo.
It is Gillespie and McGrath.
Yes! Unbelievable! It's a slaughter at the moment. Green and red. मैं क्या बताऊं? I'm getting emotional because Yellow is just running away with this. What are you doing about it? Team Red, -10. 10. Team Yellow, 80. I once made 81, but other story. Team Green, minus 10. So Team Green and Team Red, you're very close to each other, but not to the victory at the moment. But it can all change. We're going to go into our quick break and then we'll come back. Nutrilor Abrevia tea break and then we'll come back. So quickly, get some nutrition inside you and when we come back, let's punch for some more points. Stay with us. Welcome back to Colors Crick Quiz, brought to you by Nutrilor Abrevia and in association with Max. Googly ho gaya, push it to the side. Now it's time for some power play. Power play, can you smash it? My favorite game in the whole world. Can you smash it? Who doesn't want to play that? Okay, simple game, but a little bit of a twist. I'll quickly read the rules out to you. You can see all those Nutrilor Abrevia cans that are right there in front of that net. All you have to do is you've got to hit them with that bat and ball. As in using the bat, obviously hit the ball, propel the ball forward, hit the cans. Now the red cans, you get 10 points per can you topple. And you see in the middle there, right in the center, mushkil ki baat hai because we've tried it, not easy to get, is the golden yellowish condensed milk can. That's the mother can. If you hit that, you get 20 points. Each teammate will get 2 shots each, alright? 2 shots each. If a team can topple all cans within just 2 shots, you get an extra bonus of 50 points. 2 shots, remember? Just 2 shots. If you get them right, shall I come there? I'll come there and motivate you.
Oh, sorry.
Don't worry. Not bad. Not bad at all. That's 1 shot. Observe the grip. It's like Graham Gooch in early days for Essex. That didn't make connection with anything, but well played. Well played. You got 1 can. I can hear a very weak clap from the competition. Obviously, they didn't want you to do well, but we are supporting Team Red. Okay, come on, Ayub. Let's see what you can do. You said you play cricket.
Okay.
He's got 1 can. Equal your wife. Pressure ki baat hai because you have to do better. You can't miss. Golden one. The golden one. Condensed milk.
Whoa.
Not bad. All right, the score from this round so far, Team Red has hammered away 5 10-pointers to get 50. 50 points, well played. And it was a team effort. Now let's see the second team here, Team Yellow. He's really well prepared. He's wearing pads. He's wearing a hand guard, back guard. And he basically destroyed 1 camera, which you will have to pay for, sir, because this is not right. Pyar se karo, no? Pyar se karo. Why are you angry? I think that's a drop of just 1. Everybody help us with the count here. It's a drop of 1, so 10 points at the moment. As we welcome the female of the same couple who apparently has captained her team. You teach in a school, right? You play cricket there?
No.
While the students are waiting for class to start? Okay. Oh, wow. That's a double. That's a double. Team Yellow, you're rocking it, man.
Thank you.
Let's see the angry expressions of Team Red and Team Green. Not happy. Well done, well done, well done. So Team Yellow has a hefty score of 50. Imagine they've already got a big lead. Now this doubles almost from Team Red, who at the moment had got 20 to get them on the board from the minus situation that is. What is Team Green going to do? Let's find out. Team Green, let's go. Ready. It was a beautiful shot.
Yeah.
The shot aesthetically very beautiful. Picture perfect on drive, but it didn't hit anything. So let's try again. Wow! This time you went over cover, almost. Off drive. Very good, very good. Nice. Nice. That's 2. Oh, that's not bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cans have
And
fallen in
6
total.
then.
6
Five,
cans?
Yeah, 6. There's 1 inside. 6.
Oh, 6. That's yours? Yeah.
Yes, ours.
Juna wala nahi hai,
No,
no?
no, no.
Please don't cheat. We have slow-mo.
Yes,
We can
yes,
check
sir.
everything again.
Sure.
You're 100% sure,
Sure.
that it's yours?
Yes.
Okay. Clapping hard. Team Green has come back superbly. 60 points. 60 points. But I'm feeling that chai ka effect right now. We have to take a Nutrilor Abrevia tea break. When we come back, we'll discuss the scores and go for the third segment. Well played, Team Green. Well played. Welcome back to Colors Cricket Quiz 2021, brought to you by Nutridor Abivia and in association with Max. All right, it's time for the final frontier. Shabash beta, last overs, as we say. In fact, we call this the final over. And now we have to see the scores as they stand because there's a little bit left in the game, but we want to see who's doing what and how well you can go from here. So Team Red, you've come up to 40. Team Yellow, 130. 130, one of the highest scores we've ever heard. And we come to Team Green. What can I tell you? That last performance, yeah, 6-4, 6-4, 6-4, and that comes to 50. So 40 Red, 130 Yellow, 50 Green, 205 Cyrus. All right, are we ready for the final over? Please pay attention, it's a little bit complicated. This is the buzzer round, so it's all about hitting the buzzer. The team that hits the buzzer first obviously gets to answer. If the buzzer is hit while the question is being read out, the question won't be read out further. For example, if I say the name of and you hit the buzzer, bas ho gaya. The teams must answer within 10 seconds of hitting the buzzer. All right, 10 points for every correct answer and -5 if it's the wrong answer. The other team can hit the buzzer if an incorrect answer is given, but the same rules apply. Before we begin, let me tell you about the free hit option. I'll pause for a second before reading out the question. Okay, I'll say question 1, then I'll pause. If you hit the buzzer, that means you've decided to take the free hit. It's like a lottery, a chance, okay? You will get double the points if you answer correctly having taken the free hit option. Double the points, okay? So, but if you go wrong, you can reduce your score by 10 points. Ready? Final over, a lot of tension, sweat is pouring all over. Everybody watching is sweating. In the meantime, here it is. Question 1. Okay, free hit not happening. Let's go straight. Which Indian cricketer was seen carrying a red handkerchief in his pocket during the last tour of Australia a couple of months back? Which Indian cricketer was seen with a red handkerchief? Come on, yaar, it stood out. White clothes, red handkerchief. Jimmy Amarnath used to many years ago. Time up, time up. Nobody knows it, so I'll give you the answer. You want to take a chance?
R. Ashwin.
R. Ashwin.
Yes.
देखो सर सर्दी भी एक चीज है. It was Shubnam Gill. Yes, Shubnam Gill was the answer. It is the same red handkerchief I gave him for good luck when he was 10 years old, which he took to Australia and scored all those runs. Hey, really? Right, ready? Question 2. Nobody wants free hit. Just to remind you, if you wanted to take that option, you two guys are not doing that well. Think about it. So this question 2, and here's the question. Look back at the screen. Guys, look back at the screen. Identify this bowler. That's all you're getting. Nothing else. But look carefully. There are hints there. Come on, guys. Not too many seconds left. Very famous action. Many years of playing cricket. Time up. The answer is Harbhajan Singh. Let's go on to number 3. And here it is. Question number 3. Okay, the question. For the first time in 86 years, which Indian domestic tournament has been called off this year? Yellow, tell me, fellow.
Ranji Trophy.
Ranji Trophy. The satisfying part is it's correct. The odd part is you all took so long. Question number 4. Nobody's going for it. Very sad. No one's going for it. Here is the simple part of the question, which is, which of these stars has hit the most number of sixes in international limited overs cricket? Not T20 alone, limited overs cricket. Okay? As on 1st February 2021, he called me up and said, "Maine ye kiya, and this is how many sixes." Now you press the yellow button, which means you have to answer without me giving any help. Yes.
Shahid Afridi.
It's closed for you, but it's open for green and red, and you get the options. Remember, your options are Rohit Sharma, Chris Gale, Shahid Afridi, and MS Dhoni. Out of which one obviously is not the right answer if you do maths.
Chris Gill. Chris Gill.
Okay, red has pressed the buzzer.
Chris Gill.
Sorry, Chris Gale?
Chris Gill.
Well done, Team Red. Let's move on to question number 5. Okay, no problem. Question 6, rather question 5. I was tricking you by saying 6. Question 5. Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan owns which other T20 team apart? You want to press? Apart from Kolkata Knight Riders. Second team. 2 team hai. This is the second team that Shah Rukh Khan owns. 80% him, 20% me, but I don't want to brag. Shah Rukh Khan owns two very famous franchise. Obviously, Kolkata is the bigger one. Ek aur hai. Time up. Guys, come on, yaar. It's actually called Trinbago Knight Riders. Trinidad and Tobago put together. Trinbago Knight Riders. Question 6. Okay, nobody wants to try. I don't know how you're going to win otherwise. What is India's lowest score in Test cricket? Maro buzzer. Yellow, you again? And the answer is?
36.
Very good. 36 is correct. Why did you hesitate? Red, green, confidence shattered ho gaya. Guys, this game is getting over. Think about it. I don't want to rush you. Question 7. Okay. Question 7 is, by the way, if you had pressed a 20-pointer, which means you could have got more than 20 points plus the double on that. Okay, here's the question. The drawn 5th test between South Africa and England in Durban in 1939 will go down in history for what reason? It's a very unique concept. What happened about this test match in 1939? With a bonus attached. Wanna try? You have no idea? Okay, so no point giving you the bonus. I'll just give you the answer. The last timeless test played till date was that match. Timeless test, matlab they keep playing till get a result. And they were going on and on and on. It went on for many days. In fact, 9 days of play. And this was the bonus question. Why was the match finally abandoned? What happened? So the answer to that is the match was abandoned after 9 days of play as England's ship was about to sail back home. Okay, it's time for question 8. Okay, look behind. Look behind because it's all going to come and unravel itself for you. This is match summary. The Pakistan Tour of India 98-99, second test in Delhi. Now look carefully at the graphic and you will find 2 names missing. It's basically in the second innings, alright? In the second innings, you're seeing names missing. First India batting second innings, then Pakistan batting second innings. So, will you take a look? And if you can just quickly tell us who the name is that is missing in both cases. That's the India batting and then Pakistan batting, India bowling. Now, it's a... If you get one correct, I'll give it to you. Chalo. Yellow. Yellow, not much to lose. Okay, go ahead.
That is Kumble.
Yes, you're right. 10 for 74.
And that I'm making a wild guess. It should be Rahul Dravid.
No, but it's a decent guess, I guess. Anybody wants to try that?
Sachin Tendulkar.
Sachin Tendulkar, you said. We'll allow it, but it's wrong. Red, you want to try?
-10.
They've named half the middle order. No, ek do baki hai abhi.
No, pass.
Okay, done. Pass. The correct answer is Sadagopan Ramesh, 96. Okay, listen, 2 left. You have to go for it now. Come on, buck up, guys. Question number 9. Abhi yaar, if you all don't go for it, you're losing anyway. I don't understand the thinking. Okay, back to normal speed. Question 9. Pick one. If a team is implementing the bodyline tactic, the bowlers are doing what? I'll give you the options. Then pick that. For bodyline, it would be A, bowling in the channel, B, bowling outside off stump, C, aiming at the body, and D, bowling full tosses. Yeah?
See, aiming at the body.
Aiming at the body, that is the right answer. Yellow is just piling on runs. Question 10. Why won't you do it? Very sad situation. Question 10. Situated 1,457 meters above sea level and the beautiful Dauladhar mountains as its backdrop. What's the name of this stadium? Yes? Time up! Guess, come on, now guess. No, nothing to lose. Guess, you are saying.
Dharamshala.
You're right. You're right. The HPCA, Himachal Pradesh Cricket Association Stadium, Dharamshala. But now, if you had just taken that free hit, you'd have got everything. You see, this is why we're telling you at home, please pay attention when you come here. That free hit can change your life. If you're 0, you become a hero. The suspense is there, so how many points they've made. Or just to fool the viewer. Who could have won? Green? Red? Yellow? We'll be back in a second. And now at the end of round 3, end of the show in a sense, we've got the summary of scores. And the scores are Team Red, 50. Raise your bat. Well played, 50. Team yellow, 140. Team green, 40. Please clap for Team Green. They got tired after clapping for two teams. Fair enough. All right, and of course, there's a goodie pack courtesy Nutridor Abivia for each and every one of you, because in our show, everybody's a winner. Actually, yellow's the winner, but everybody's a winner. So, red team, come up. And the worthy winner, the champions. Let's call on Krishna Machari, Srikanth and Sunil Manohar Gavaskar, who are not here, so they won't come, but you can come. Team Yellow, you've done very well. Excellent performance. Really, they were here very early. They worked very hard. They Googled everything they could and they rehearsed properly. It was a real jugalbandi and a real great synchronized effort, so well played. You get this LED smart TV, 55 inches. 55 inches of watching pleasure. You can watch me become bigger and bigger on this television. He's not happy at all. He wants to give it. Just take it and enjoy. And now wait, who's going to take this prize? The champion of this episode. Colors Crick Quiz 2021. This episode ka champion. Well done. He's saying you should take it because he's won too many prizes in his life. He's saying I don't want any more. He's giving it. All right.
Thank you.